Hi everyone, welcome to Mamta Creations. We just now finished the total candle making session for Saileja here. This is Saileja here at the center. Thank you Saileja for choosing Mamta Creations. How was the session?
Yes, ma'am. I am Sailaja. Today I have taken an offline session here. It is very nice. Mamta ma'am explains everything very clearly. Today we make so many candles here, so many varieties.
This is seed candle. Yes, seed candle. This is chunks gel wax candle. This is glitter candle. This is floating floral candle. These are fawns candle. This is ice candle. And here we have sea view candle, gel wax sea view candle. We have cupcake strawberry cupcake candle. Then we have this aroma candle here.
This is insect repellent candle, which is using instead of we are using
Odomos or Odonil at home.
Instead
kids.
of that, we are using this candle.
So this is insect repellent candle. So whenever you burn these candles, the insect, they will, due to the fragrance, they will not come and bite you. So many people's skin are very sensitive. For those people can easily use this candle. These are the chunks. Can you turn the chunks little more? Yeah, these are the chunks candle. Okay.
And this is very beautiful
Therapy candle. So for therapy purpose and Reiki purpose, those who are doing therapy and Reiki, they can use this candle for therapy purpose. This is miniature ball candle. I have already showed. This is massage candle.
which is made of soft wax we use and some carrier oil and some butters.
So massage oil in spas and all, they will use basically for massage purpose. You can light the candle, or due to the heat of the candle, all the oils will melt, and to that hot oil you can do massage for the body.
This is decorative candle, birthday decoration we will do like this. It is
Very beautiful, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
So how was the session, and how was the tutorial, and how was the our training and everything? So what do you like to say to everybody?
Yeah, it is very satisfying, ma'am. I am very happy. Mamta ma'am gave me one tutorial and
Printed notes, the PDF notes, and also the certificate.
Yeah.
We have issued the certificate also. This is a certified course.
Yeah.
So we are a National Skill Development of India certified organization with ISO and MSME registered organization basically in skill training and vocational training. So thank you Saileja for choosing Mamta Creations. If any of you need this candle making session, you can always contact us on 98407244819. You can download our mobile application from the Play Store, Mamta Creations. Do check our Instagram handle mamta.copta, and also check our Facebook page Mamta Creations. We also have a website www.mamtacreations.com. So on our mobile application Mamta Creation, 85 plus courses are listed. Do download it from the Play Store and check the courses available with us, and attend the courses online and offline, whichever you want. For more info, you can always contact us or WhatsApp us on 98407244819.